Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet the hearts. For that I have taken here the yarn which is milk cotton. You can choose any of your choice, and then the hook which is recommended by here is 4.5, so I have taken the 4.5 hook. So you can go along with your yarn type and the hook size which is mentioned over the yarn. So let's start with the project. So let's start this with the magic ring. So if you don't know how to make the magic ring, please check my playlist, or you can watch over here. Just turn this yarn like this, and then you can insert the hook into the circle. Pull this yarn. Here you can make one chain. So you just already made the magic ring. Then we are going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. 3 chains, yarn over 2 times. We are going to make the triple crochet. So into this, insert, pull up the yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2. So it's a triple crochet. Again yarn over 2 times. We are going to make one more triple crochet, yarn over 2 times. So we have made here 3 triple crochets. Now I am going to make double crochet. Yarn over 1 time, into this, insert and pull up the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet. So we made here 3 triple crochets, 3 double crochets. Now chain 1, going to make 1 triple crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again we are going to make 1 chain, yarn over, pull through. We are going to make double crochet. So 1 double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet. And again yarn over 2 times. We are going to make triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, then again yarn over 2 times. 1, 2, 3, yarn over 2 times. 1, 2, 3. So we have made here, after this chain, 3 double crochets and then 3 triple crochets. Now let's make 3 chain. We'll do the slip stitch into this ring, and then we are going to do the slip stitch into this chains. Here we have 3 chains we made at the starting of this project. So let's insert the hook into the back stitch of this chain slowly, then make 1 chain, and then into the second chain, not chain, a slip stitch, 1 more, and then into the third chain also we are making 1 slip stitch. So we just brought the hook over here, and then here we have 3 triple crochets. So into this first triple crochet we are going to make 1 single crochet, and this is the second one. Into the next 1 the single crochet, and then the second one into the same stitch. Into the third 1 single crochet, and then the second. Then we have here 3 double crochets. Over this we are going to make single crochet 1, and then into the next one, and into the next one, so 3. Then we have here chain 1 space, there we are going to make 1 single crochet, and then into this triple crochet we are going to make 1 single crochet. Then we have here chain, we'll make 1 single crochet. Again here we have 3 double crochets, so let's make 1 single crochet, into the next 1 single crochet, into the next 1 single crochet. Now we have 3 double crochets, there we need to make 2 single crochets into each. 1 2 1 2, and then again into the next 1 2. So we made into each double crochet 2 single crochets. Now let's do the slip stitch into the next chain. Here it is, we'll insert the hook into this back chain, we'll make 1 slip stitch, and then into the next we'll make 1 slip stitch, into the next we'll make 1 slip stitch. Then slowly we are going to make into this ring a slip stitch. Just pull little up the yarn, and then we are going to cut this. Then we can pull this one out so that we can make it tight, and then this tail yarn I'm going to pull it so that it will get closure. So it's done here, our heart is ready here. Look, now we want to hide these yarns. For that we can insert the hook into this, and then slowly we can pull this yarn through the back stitch like this. We can hide here. Like this. And then we can make a note over here if you prefer, or you can just leave as it is. Then you can snip off these yarns. You can use this as a bookmark as well, or if you want to attach with any of your garments, you can do this as well. So now the heart is ready. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you on the next video with a new pattern. Thank you.